Back today with the Guatemalan Thunder. We're about to hit this Apple Valley Speedway. We got the Mean Machine Prius taking us up there. This thing goes off-roading? Shit, it does today. Gas station pit stop. I need me some of the finest of the fine goy slop. Do you see some goy slop, my good sir? Snacked out. Bitch told me $12.98. I ain't paying for none of it. I'm good. Had to come out and check it.
Ready?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
How's it looking on the availability for these?
Sit in this because it's set for a tall guy. It doesn't move.
Holy C5 Corvette. We're up next. Let's see if the Z can get it. Hell yeah. Hydration brake with the Walkman. Clutch kick. Trying to get all shredberry. Was it working? Right next to me. Did you see that?
That was badass.
I can't tell if that was my fault or their fault. Fuck.